You don't remember anything last night, huh?
I got really melodramatic, didn't I?
You told me that you weren't really on a vacation. That you've been looking for a job for a year, and your boyfriend didn't work out. And since you didn't have any money, you decided to move back here.
Is there anything else?
Don't remember anything. You all right?
Yeah. It's this nervous tick I have. I get this itch.
Oh my God.
Thing appeared. Same place, exact same time. But it just made a bunch of weird hand gestures.
I'm gonna show you guys something.
It's dancing.
Is dancing like...
Holy shit.
Ow! What was that? What was that?
A helicopter.
With like the pilot and everything?
I feel terrible.
Give him a good show.
Keep it cool. Oh my God, these people are looking at us.
She's the monster.